Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, viewers and spectators. Welcome to Professor Ghulam Hussain Bhatti Chemistry channel. Today I am going to discuss Inorganic Chemistry chapter number 1, second year class. Now the topic of discussion is ionic radius. According to board paper point of view, this ionic radius topic is very important. According to board paper point of view, in Lahore board 2007 and 2004, in Rawalpindi board 2007 and Gujranwala board 2004, and in Faisalabad board 2005, ionic radius long question was there. Now there are some short questions related to board. In Faisalabad board 2016, short question is, why ionic radius of positive ion is smaller than its neutral atom? And it is the second board question is, why the ionic radii of negative ions are larger than the size of their parent atoms? It was present in many board papers. Faisalabad board 2015, Multan board 2015, Lahore board 2017, Azad Jammu and Kashmir board 2018, Multan board 2018 as well. My dear students, I will explain both short question and long question in detail as per paper point of view, so that my students and viewers will get good marks in the board. What is ionic radius? Ionic radius, it is the radius of an ion in ionic solids. There are, my dear students, there are two types of ionic radii, cationic radius and anionic radius. We will discuss in detail. When sodium loses its one electron, then it will be converted into cation, and then we will calculate the radius of that cation. This is sodium, this is the electronic configuration of sodium. It has 2 electrons in the first shell, first K shell. In L shell 8 electrons, and in M shell there is 1 electron. In the valence shell, when sodium will lose its valence electron, then it will be converted into sodium ion, Na positive. And now it is sodium ion will be stable because it has 8 electrons in its valence shell. Now look at here, in case of sodium there will be 11 protons and 11 electrons, but in case of sodium ion there are 11 protons but 1 electron. After the removal of 1 electron there will be 10 electrons. Now the effect on size, the size of sodium atom, that is parent atom, is equal to 186 picometer, but in the case of sodium ion its size reduced to 95 picometer. Now there is a short question, why cationic radius is smaller than parent atom? This is the cation, its radius is small as compared to parent atom, which has larger in size. Now its answer is, parent atom has larger size as compared to cationic size. There are two reasons. Number one, my dear students, electron proton ratio will be disturbed. Here there are 11 protons and 11 electrons in case of sodium atom, neutral atom, that is parent atom, but in case of sodium ion, cation, there are only 10 electrons but 11 protons. Therefore electron and proton ratio is disturbed. Therefore nucleus, because loss of shell, nucleus will attract the outermost shell very tightly, and therefore size of cation will be reduced. And number 2 is loss of the shell. In case of sodium ion, in case of sodium atom, there are 3 shells, K, L and M, but in the case of sodium ion, 1 shell will be removed. एंड देर आर ओनली 2 शेल्स। आपकी मैं इसकी एग्जांपल आपको इस तरह दूंगा, माल्टा ले ली, माल्टा जो है वो कहीं पेरेंट एटम है, उसके ऊपर से छिलका उतार दें तो क्या होगा, उसका माल्टे का साइज छोटा हो जाएगा, वो कैटायन बन जाएगा। इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी एग्जांपल विच आई एम गिविंग टू यू। नंबर सेकंड टाइप इज anionic radius. There is a short question, why anionic radius is greater in size as compared to parent atom? Its answer is, look at the fluorine atom. Fluorine has 7 electrons in its valence shell and fluorine is a non-metal. It is present in group 7a. When fluorine will gain 1 electron, then what will happen? That electron will be gained here. When it will gain 1 electron, extra electron, then what will happen? The size of fluorine atom will become larger as compared to its parent atom, because in the parent atom it has 7 electrons. It has 7 electrons in the valence shell, but it has 8 electron in the valence shell. And students, when we add extra electron in the parent atom of fluorine, we want to add an extra electron in the fluorine atom, then what will happen? There are 7 electrons in the valence shell of fluorine atom. When we want to add this extra electron, these 7 electrons will repel the incoming electrons. Due to repulsion of already existing electrons and incoming electrons, electron will move away. Electron जो है दूर दूर चले जाएंगे, so size will increase gradually. So anionic radius will increase as compared to its parent atom. The size of anionic radius of fluoride ion will be 133 picometer, while that of parent atom is 72 picometer in the case of fluorine atom. This is all about the anionic radius and its concept. Now, what is the trend of ionic radius in the periodic table? Number 1, we will discuss in the group. In the case of when we move from top to bottom in a group, then what will happen? Ionic radius increases. ये देखें, ये स्मॉल है, ये नीचे देखें लार्ज है, ऊपर जो है क्रिकेट बॉल है, नीचे फुटबॉल है. इट मींस दैट साइज बढ़ रहा है. टॉप टू बॉटम इन अ ग्रुप मूव करेंगे, साइज इंक्रीज हो रहा है. देयर आर 2 रीजंस बिहाइंड व्हाई साइज इंक्रीजेस. नंबर 1, number of shell increases in top to bottom in a group, and number 2, shielding effect also increases from top to bottom in a group. These are the 2 reasons which I have told to you. And now trend of ionic radius in the period. When we move from left to right in a period, ये देखिए, ये हमारे पास क्रिकेट बॉल है और ये टेनिस बॉल है. लेफ्ट टू राइट साइज डिक्रीज हो रहा है. When we move from left to right in a period, then ionic radius decreases. There are 2 reasons for this. Number 1, number of shells and shielding effect both will remain the same, because no new shell will be formed in the period. And number 2, number of proton increases. ये न्यूक्लियस के अंदर नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इंक्रीज होना शुरू हो जाएंगे. न्यूक्लियर चार्ज आल्सो इंक्रीजेस एंड साइज ऑफ एटम डिक्रीजेस, क्योंकि न्यूक्लियस की आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन के ऊपर जो है वो गिरफ्त मजबूत हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से न्यूक्लियस वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को मजबूती से खींचेगा और एटम का साइज decrease हो जाएगा. That is why ionic radius decreases when we move from left to right in a period. Dear students and spectators, thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Thank you.